Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we'll learn about pandas. So let me have one question at first, which comes actually in everyone's mind when they start this pandas. Why pandas only? Do we have any other library actually which is comparison to this pandas? Actually, there's no library at present. Maybe in the future we have some libraries, but at present, in comparison to the pandas, there's no other libraries. And Panda is actually built at the top of the NumPy, and it has a diverse utilities, diverse range of methods actually, which we use for data analytics. It can do a variety of works, passing multiple file formats or convert the entire data into NumPy metrics. Fast, powerful, it's easy to use, and one of the best thing is it's open source. You don't need to pay anything, and it's used in industries also. So this is actually a small introduction of pandas and why we learn panda. And if you want to become a data science, so this is the first step actually. You need to know what is NumPy, what is pandas, because to become a data scientist, you just first need to understand what the skill set you need for that. So this is the, I can say, first step if you are learning or you want to become a data scientist or a machine learning engineer. This is the first step you need to take first. So before wasting time, let's start with the Pandas series actually. What is series? So Pandas series is a one-dimensional array actually. If you want to call a Pandas series, you need to call a method called series, which comes in the category of constructor. Let me show you this uh, Jupyter notebook so that you can understand very well. So in order to install from the Jupyter notebook, you need to write this pip3 install pandas, and then import the pandas. So at first, what I've shown you here is uh, I'm converting the list into pandas series. So I have a list ice cream, which we, and there's four I can say element are there in the list: strawberry, vanilla, lychee, and chocolate. So if you want to convert this list into panda series, you need to write this series. You need to call this series function actually. PD is the pandas which we have used alias PD. So what we get actually at the left side, these are the index which is auto generated by the this I can say pandas. In the right side, these are the values which is converted into panda series, and at the down you can see that this is D type object. This is actually an object which is given to the data according to the data by pandas. Let me show you one more example to understand this very well. In the next step, what we have done, I have took only integers. So according to these values, it took the data type of the series int. And similarly, if I can show you the third example, that is registration, according to the value, it took the value boolean. There's a one question maybe comes in your mind. If we combine this all in one list, so what's gonna happen? Let's check it out. Okay, I'm writing a list name as A, and I'm taking first value of each list and call this series method. You need to, if you need to auto complete, you just need to hit the tab. It will auto complete the sentence function, I guess. And, so understand this. if there's a combination of various data types, or I can various values, so it always converted into object, because object to take the all the values actually. If we say uh, if pandas data pandas series convert this into int, so there will be a problem because string can't be int or boolean can't be int. So that's why it converts all the values into object. I can say this is all for today, and stay tuned with my channel. uh, I'm uploading more videos and creating a playlist of this pandas introduction actually. So stay tuned, like my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you.